Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the home screen, the current watch face basically, to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Here find the option called the reset. And once you find the reset option, tap on it and then tap on yes to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the QR code on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this device by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.